Hey guys, it's Mendocino Tech Guru here. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do an iPhone 6s battery replacement. You're going to need a Phillips screwdriver, a pentalobe screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a metal pry tool. Also a magnetic mat. You're going to want to start off by getting your pentalobe screwdriver and taking off the two pentalobe screws at the bottom of the iPhone. Once you got those off, you're going to get your metal pry tool and wedge it in between the crevice of the frame and the screen. Just the edge, and start slowly prying upward and go all around the sides of the phone. Once you got all the edges propped up out of the frame, you're going to want to pull up at a 90-degree angle, just like that. The first thing you want to remove is the Taptic engine. There's only two Phillips screws holding it in, one on the left, one on the right, and it just lifts up like so. Then you're going to want to disconnect the battery, two Phillips screws again, take off the metal shield here, and use your plastic spudger to remove the connector here. Alright. So at the bottom of the battery, there's these plastic glue tabs. You just want to peel them back. You could use your fingernail. Once you can get a grip on it, you want to grab it and slowly start prying outward. Very slowly pry out the glue tabs. If you pull a little too fast, they will tear. Now for the second tab, take it out with my nail and start pulling outward slowly. There we go. Now the battery's out. You want to get your replacement battery. You want to make sure the device works first. So we're going to test our battery. And it works. So let's disconnect it. We're going to reinstall the Taptic engine, put it back in its place, and install the two Phillips screws. Okay, we want to reinstall the glue on the new battery. So get your glue tabs that came with your replacement and install them. Okay, gonna install the battery in. We're gonna put the metal bracket right over it, install the two Phillips screws that hold it. And you're done. Reassemble the screen, reinstall the two pentalobe screws at the bottom, and you're done. iPhone 6s battery replacement. Thanks for watching.